What's going on, y'all? Fred Johnson coming back at you today from Osceola County, Florida, and today I'm going to talk about practicing your typing with 10 fast fingers. So went through Typing Club, which is a great way to learn the proper technique. Went through Nitro Type, which is a fun way to get in there and practice every day and gamify your typing. Today I'm going to talk about 10 fast fingers, which I think is the best way to give yourself a realistic typing test to see your accurate words per minute that you can use on a resume or when you are keeping track of how you're doing. So let's take a look. So just a quick refresher. We talked in the first video about Typing Club. We talked in the second video about Nitro Type, and today we're talking about 10 fast fingers. So what you'll want to do is navigate in your browser to 10fastfingers.com. And you actually don't, I think you have to log in, but it's very helpful so you can keep track of how you're doing. So I highly recommend you register if you haven't logged in, or if you have, just make a login. You can use your Google account. Very simple to make a login. And then once you're in, it's going to take you to the Start Typing Test. So this is just your basic English top 200 words typing test. There's actually a lot of other things you could do in there, but I'm going to focus on this one for today. So we're doing the English typing test, 200 words. Now you can see the interface of 10 Fast Fingers is not like the coolest design or anything, and you've got some ads going on in different places, but I think it's a very accurate place to type to test your typing, and there's a great community around it. There's a lot of people on a leaderboard, so you can see how you're doing against others. So all you do, it's got a 1-minute timer, and you can actually do different custom ones, but I'll just do the 1-minute one, and then you start typing what you see on the screen. You've got a lot of different language options here. We'll stick with English for now, and then it'll start as soon as you start the timer. So I'm going to go ahead and start now. We'll see how I do, and then we'll talk a little bit about afterwards. So as you can see here, I finished the typing test. It was 60 seconds to complete, which is actually a little bit longer than you would think while you're trying to type fast. And as soon as you're done, it'll give you your WPM, which is your words per minute based on 4 characters average. And then it'll tell you how many keystrokes, your accuracy, how many correct words, incorrect words. It won't let you do more than 20 incorrect words or it'll disqualify you. And you'll notice while I was typing, I had the opportunity, if I made a mistake, to just continue and have that count as a wrong word. Or I could backspace and correct it, but it's going to affect my words per minute negatively. So you kind of have that choice as you're going. So super simple. That's pretty much it. Then you can just go through and do more tests to try and work on improving as you go. There's also, leaderboards, and you can see here I could share my result. I can see my rankings compared to other people and my test take, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot to it. But again, I think if you go in order and you start on Typing Club and learn the proper technique, and then you get a Nitro Type to have some fun, but come in here and use this to just test your actual words per minute on a regular basis, you will see tons of improvement. So hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoy working on your typing, and hope you see your productivity improve. Have an awesome day.